How a Christian family should be. Bible verse: As for me and my household, we will serve the Lord. Joshua 24:15. A Christian family is called to be a reflection of God's love, grace, and truth. The Bible provides guidance on how a Christian family should function, emphasizing the importance of faith, love, and unity. The verse from Joshua reminds us that each family has the responsibility to make a deliberate choice to serve the Lord. This means that God should be at the center of all family decisions, activities, and relationships. Family members are encouraged to worship and pray together, study the scriptures, and create an environment that nurtures spiritual growth. In a Christian family, love is foundational. The Bible teaches that love should be selfless, patient, forgiving, and unconditional. Family members should prioritize showing love and respect to one another, building each other up, and resolving conflicts in a healthy and Christ-like manner. Unity is another key aspect of a Christian family. While each member is an individual with unique gifts and personalities, they are called to work together, support one another, and foster a sense of belonging and acceptance. Mutual encouragement, accountability, and shared responsibilities contribute to a strong and thriving Christian family. Additionally, a Christian family should be characterized by grace and forgiveness. Recognizing that everyone falls short, family members should extend grace, forgive one another, and seek reconciliation when conflicts arise. A Christian family also has a responsibility to be a light in the world. This involves showing hospitality, reaching out to those in need, and being a positive influence in the community. By embodying Christ's love and teachings, a Christian family can impact others and reflect God's kingdom values.